Kai playing with the dog.
Go off right now. Like by this time right now, they're really supposed to go off.